All right, y'all. I had to come on here and record because I just discovered something. I had to run out the house in the robe and the slides, looking for this. We got the BMW back yesterday. They told me that it was the crankcase breather hose had split, so that's why it's throwing a code. She said as soon as you take the engine cover off, you could see it, and sure the fuck enough. I'm gonna see if y'all can see it, but that right there, that little ass crack right there. You see how, like, that little ass crack right there, that is what's causing the check engine light. So, easy fix, dumb fix. But what can you do, you know? So, at least we came out here and we found it. Yeah, that's what we've been dealing with. That's literally what's been causing all of my problems. Like, as soon as you take the engine cover off, like, it's literally the first thing right there. This shit's a fucking bummer, bro. That's what's been giving me all the trouble. Yeah, you can see. Oof. Try not to split more because I still drive this shit. Like, it still drives. But that definitely is the fucking problem, so now that we see that, gonna go through and get it fixed. So, get ready for some BMW shit.
Do it anywhere. That little petty shit you making, we'll throw it in the air. I bet my bitch new shit, nay, she a fuck it anywhere. My bitch bougie, look at my fingernail before I put them in her. Why the fuck this nigga mad at me? His bitch under my picture. I can really post some shit and make it mad to make it bigger. I got a bag in this way bigger. I'm on their ass, I know they can feel it. Balenci boots and Rick the denim. Lord forgive me, I know I'm a sinner. Fashion killer, Cody simple.
Bitches begging to take out my zipper. Pussy good, I might just tip you, girl. I don't smoke no swish or sweet.
Bitch, I'm on the raw deal. Like a crown bitch, when I top it, I don't give a
yeah. Spaces in the mansion, that's my hideout. For the bitch, she kissed till I gave her time out. I was getting paper, bitch, I'm on the grind now. Hella effing is the drums when we slide out. For them braids, just got home and wanna ride out. Make you meet you, make you fuck you so.
Alright, everybody, welcome back. Sorry, I'm eating a granola bar. Couldn't wait to record. I haven't recorded in so long. Probably since the last video y'all saw this. Let's get right into it, man. So you guys know I've been having that check engine light problem for like a cool minute. Finally got the opportunity to take it to the dealership, see if they would fix it for the warranty. They didn't. So since they're not gonna fix something as simple as a fucking PCV hose, I figured fuck that warranty. I'm not gonna worry about keeping it, maintaining it, plucking it off with mods and shit anymore. So today we're gonna be removing the downpipes and getting ready to look at my dumb ass. The electrical tape in there, some other shit. So we finna be removing the downpipes today. So right now I just drove it over here. Gonna let it cool down for a minute so it's just not stupid hot when I touch it. That's what we about to get into, man. But first we gotta go through and clean up all the fucking shit in the garage again because I can't get to any of the tools and I want to lay everything out when I'm doing it. So first order of business is to clean all this shit up and then we'll be able to get back to the BMW. Also gonna go through and get some spark plugs, some coils, basic maintenance shit, give it an oil change. Like going through everything, man, you feel me? Just trying to get it all nice and clean and like back to what it's supposed to be. Got a new lip for it. That shit's coming off, so yeah. So we finna work on all this, man. So y'all stay tuned, bro. Be right back. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so it's the next day. We got the pup with us. We got the downpipes out. So as you can see, this nigga's tired. He's been running around with me all day. He's like, man, this is not the cage. He's just like, bro. All this interaction today. But yeah, so we got that out. We got all that everything put over here. that we took off. I'm not going to do an install video because the one I watched is very detailed and very helpful, so I will just link it. We got the downpipes out though, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, we finna replace all that. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. And yeah, one thing at a time. All right, everybody, we're back, and we got some things. So pick up where we left off. We got the So we got the downpipes out. So we got the new ones over there. We'll add some new intakes. There should be spark plugs and coils over there as well as that breather hose that is broke. So gonna do some unboxing real quick. We'll start with the little boxes. What's these? It's gotta be some wrap. Oh no, this is the heat wrap. So we got some heat wrap. Throw that on the intake. Alright then. Can't hear me talk because I have an earphone in my ear. It's making my voice sound muffled. And these allergies are whooping my ass. What's this? Air filter. That feels pretty good actually. This is the exhaust wrap for downpipes. There better be two of these bitches in there. I ordered two. Got some NGK coils. We got 8 of them bitches. Big ass box. It's a big box here. Some dirty ass niggas left their gloves in my box. This is foul. That's hella foul. The main event. The whole reason we gotta do all this other shit. They got install guides online. Look at that shit. Damn. These look fucking nice. Clean. See, that's a nice orange bezel. Sheesh. This shit's nice, bro. Feels nice and sturdy. These niggas even threw in a lollipop. These people are jokes. These niggas really threw in a lollipop, bro. I'm weak. They're on for a lollipop. Alright, so I almost had a panic attack. I thought I didn't order the spark plugs, but they just haven't came in yet. It said they're supposed to be here today by the end of the day, so hopefully those get here in a timely fashion. Coil people, looks like we're gonna have to call it on the day for this. We got the spark plugs and the coils out, but the new spark plugs never showed up. And I just did a little fit test with these U-bands. And those are not gonna work for the damn intakes, so I'm gonna have to reassess how I was going to do this, because now this shit is not finna work. So yeah, part of the process, man. Still trying to figure all this shit out, figure out how I'm gonna do everything. Once we get the spark plugs, we can throw the spark plugs in, we can throw the coils back in, we can try to put the intake together if we can figure out what the fuck to do with that shit, and then go from there. So that means we gotta take these two filters back too. We can definitely do the downpipes, so the downpipes can go in whenever.
Know how to keep it classy. Yeah, hey.